my name is Lisa Grace and this is Nailchemy's YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed this video.
We've got our tip stuck on. I've done all the cuticle work and I've etched the nail plate. So I'm just coming in with the nail prep and then with the Ultra Bond Platinum. I still call it Ultra Blonde. Ultra Bond Platinum. So that just needs to go onto the natural nail. And give that a few seconds to air dry. So acrylic base that I'm using today is Blossom.
Oh, we like Blossom. It's a nice...
Yeah. Which one? Have I put it away?
It's like a peachy colour.
Ghostly Goblins, Mermaid's Tail. There it is.
And
I'm also going to be using Mermaid's Tail from the Supernatural collection. This is new in, guys, and you can't really appreciate how gorgeous it is in the pots, but you shall see it shortly. So I'm using my A8 acrylic brush and my medium speed monomer. So I'm just going to get a good sized bead and I'm going to come straight in at the cuticle, place that bead down, and then we can start patting that into place. Keep the nail tilted down, let the acrylic fall down the nail, work smarter not harder, and I'm going to start pulling this acrylic over in a diagonal line. Acrylic stuck in my brush. Make sure you clean anything up if it does make contact with the skin. Sort that out now. What's going on? A bit cold in here actually, aren't we? I forgot about that. I had to put the heater on this morning.
Freezing this morning.
It was that cold in here. It's the first time, I won't say this year because obviously I'll have had the heater on in January. The first time this autumn I've had to put the heater on, and I don't like it. Roll on summer.
I'm not built for winter.
No. Okay, so this has really started to set up now, so I can really start working on this edge here. So what I like to do is I pat on the top and then push that wall back and then pat on the top again and just keep fighting it back. And by patting on the top and then pushing it back, it just helps create a nice wall along here, which is what we want. Okay, get that dust out from under there. Right, so Mermaid's Tail from Supernatural. This looks absolutely stunning. So this has got the colour shift or chameleon, whichever you want to call it, the glitter pieces in it. So I'm going to pick some up. I'm really going to drain that bead. And get this on. And put this up to that wall that we've just made. Try not to let your glitter go over it. How pretty is that? Can you see? Oh, you can see it on the camera. That shows up really well on the camera.
That new camera you've got is really good.
Better than the last one, isn't it?
I love the purple, but those green flecks in it are amazing.
Yeah, I like that a lot. Right, I'm just going to give this a couple of minutes to set and then I will be back. Okay, that's had a few minutes to set now, so I'm going to come in with my clear acrylic powder. And we can get this gorgeous glitter. I've got hair in there. Gorgeous glitter capped. That's what I'm trying to say. Nearly said something rude. You're wondering what I was going to say now, aren't you? Not going to tell you. It's not suitable for
YouTube.
Just need a little bit. Oh, no. Dropped my bead. So let's try again. It's a problem with all this recording equipment around me. I end up quite limited with space. Don't worry about that little bit of glitter there. We'll get that off when we file it. So make sure that all of that glitter is well and truly capped. Make sure you can't see anything sparkling. And again, I'm going to give that a couple of minutes to set, and then I'm going to give it a good file. Okay, we are all filed up, and I've given this nail a bit of a buff as well. So I'm just going to wipe over with the Kiwi cleanser. Oh, we can see that already. That's so pretty. Right, so I've got myself a little makeup sponge. And I'm using Dove from the Prophecy range. This is just the white. And I'm just going to pop a bit of this white, just a little bit, just on there, and just kind of give that a little squeeze, let that start soaking in. And I'm just going to pop a little bit just up here and a little bit down here. Just like that, just a smattering. Can you pop that into the lamp for me, please, Sam? Just an itty bitty cure. And while that's curing,
I might want to change that because it's on full cure.
Right, that's all right. When it gets to 30 seconds, take it out.
Cool.
There's the bottom of my lamp. I lost the bottom of my. I've just found it. I'm going to use the white Artisan paint. I'm just going to pop some of this on my palette. About 5 seconds, babe. And where's my brush? Go. Fabulous. About there, please, darling. Right, so I've got my 8mm liner brush. Oh, glasses. Made my glasses for this. Okay, 8mm liner. Glasses are on my face. And we're going to do quite a large snowflake. So I want the centre of my snowflake. I don't want it bang centre of the nail, so I think I might go about here. So I'm just going to do a tiny little dot just so I know where I'm working from. And then coming out from that dot, I'm going to come straight up. I don't blink. I don't blink. I don't breathe. So obviously I'm filming this ahead of time. It's actually the beginning of October right now. No.
Well, you can...
Ahead of time. Yeah, so we're actually... so I can't concentrate and talk at the same time. You talk for me, Sam.
So basically we're trendsetters. We're at least a season ahead. You know, a bit like London Fashion Week.
Oh, yeah, that's what I was going to say. So I'm enjoying doing snowflakes at the minute, but give it another month and I'm going to be fed up of them because that's when they're going to start kicking in. So you get the enjoyable snowflakes. Because when everybody else starts getting them, I'll enjoy the first couple and then I'll be sick of the sight of them. Okay, so this is an 8-pointed snowflake. You could also do a 6-pointed snowflake, or if you want to be If you want to be one of those people, you could do a 7-pointed snowflake. Right, okay, so coming up, I might do a little dot in that centre actually. Where's my dotting tool? If that was my Nailchemy. Oh, I'll use my needle. No, I won't.
I don't know where your dotting
I'll
tool
find
was.
it in a minute. I've got lots of dotting tools, but they're never there when I need them. Never there when I need them. Right, let's come up. So all the way around here, I'm going to make little diamonds. Little diamonds. Can't wait to top coat this. That mermaid's tail is going to look stunning. I need a magnifying glass. Glasses aren't cutting it anymore. I'm getting old. Getting old, guys. Not as old as Sam, but...
Promised I wasn't going to swear, Dave, and I'm trying to be really good.
I'm winding her up, Dave. It's alright, Dave's old as well. That's me sacked. I don't mean it, Dave. You're a young spring chicken. I feel old. I said to Matt this morning, Matt's my husband. I said to him this morning, I feel really old. And he went, you are really old.
Cheeky, what's it?
He's older than me. I'm feeling it lately though, to be honest. I've got aches and pains everywhere and I'm tired. Need to start doing yoga again, I reckon.
It's when your own dad decides to add a year to your age. That's when you have to worry.
Oh, that's pretty.
Jeez, Daddy.
Okay, right, so let's do a little flash cure, shall we, before I mess this up. Okay, I found my dotting tool. So, I'm going to make a little dot in the middle just to even that out. And then I think let's do a dinky one here and here. And I'll do dinky ones on all of these quarter ones. You can be so diverse with snowflakes.
Oh, no two snowflakes are the same.
Just going to say the same. Just going to say the same. There's no right way of doing them. There's no wrong way of doing them. Well, I'm sure there is. I'm sure there's plenty of wrong ways of doing snowflakes. I've done plenty of wrong snowflakes, believe me. So on these other quarters, I'm just going to do 3 little... Right. We had this conversation last year, didn't we, about the anatomy of a snowflake?
Mm-hmm.
Did we?
No.
Or was it the anatomy of a fork or something?
I can't remember.
No.
Slept since then. I'm old, apparently.
Have I actually had this conversation, or am I...
I think you either dreamt it or you've had it with
No,
somebody
I was
else.
definitely doing some nails. Oh, I think it might have been Megan, you know. And I think we were talking about the anatomy of a snowflake.
Because I would call that you're doing now feathering.
I don't know. What did I call them? Tendrils. Is that even a word? Have I just made a word up?
No, tendrils is a word.
Not even in shop. Just when you're quite finished, Sam.
Oh, sorry, I'm keep moving. Sorry.
Moving about. Sorry, I'll be done in a minute, and then you can do what you need to do.
It's just happened to scratch.
Then actually, I think I'm going to do a biggerish dot there, biggerish, and a biggerish dot there, and a biggerish dot there. So with the snowflakes, you could add loads of details or no detail. I mean, definitely don't add no detail. Are we happy with that, Sam? Do we want any more detail on that?
I think it's
I think it's beautiful. I don't think it needs any more.
I think...
Right, pop that in the lamp for a full cure for me, please, Sam. fabulous. I originally wanted to matte this nail because I think snowflakes and this little snow effect on a matte nail looks so pretty. However, with that mermaid's tail, it has to be glossed. There's only one way for it. Oh, look at that.
Oh, wow.
Look at that, Sam. It's so pretty. Focus, please. That glitter is insane. Right, give that full key off.
Gem.
I'm going to be using the coconut elixir oil. There we go.
My favourites.
Coconut elixir oil. It is lovely. Drop of that on there. And work that in. And there you have it, guys.
So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to give us a little thumbs up, hit like on that video, drop any comments that you've got down in the comment section below, and more importantly, make sure you hit subscribe so that you get a notification for all of our future videos. All of the products that I've used today you can find on our website, which is nailchemy.co.uk, and I will see you in the next video.